Hey guys, this is Brian from Vance and Hines. Thank you for joining me on another Workshop Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about these little guys, exhaust flange nuts. Now, exhaust flange nuts are very important because they are what hold the exhaust onto your bike outside of the support brackets, and they are what seals your headers from your heads. These little guys do have a tendency to come loose after a new exhaust installation. Anywhere from 100 to 500 miles I usually recommend retorquing these. Alright guys, so with the exposure cranked up so you can actually see the nut, we're going to take our 1/2 inch socket and we're just going to go right in here. Get it nice and tight. Alright guys, that's it. So we've taken our wrench, we've tightened down our exhaust flange nuts, we're all good to go. We should notice that in the next couple hundred miles, maybe another 1,000 miles, we'll go ahead and want to put a wrench on it again just to make sure it's not leaking. And after that, every major service interval. Thank you guys for joining me on another Workshop Wednesday. I'll catch you on the next video.